This is San Lazaro Hospital in Manila, one of the biggest and oldest in the Philippines. The Secretary of Health wants to show us how the hospital is handling a measles outbreak. They are children, ages 5 and below, brought here by parents who had different answers when asked why their children were not vaccinated. Many of these children are in critical condition. At least 60 children have already died of measles in this hospital alone over the last month, and the situation is getting worse.
The Dengvaxia scare, all this drama that they were doing have really caused a damage to the integrity and the effectiveness of the DOH.
For months, the Public Attorney's Office has been conducting televised inquiries into a vaccine corruption scandal involving health officials. The investigation found that more than 700,000 children may have been given an unsafe vaccine called Dengvaxia to treat dengue fever. The Public Attorney's Office says over 100 children have died because of Dengvaxia. But independent autopsies have disputed that. Health officials say these accusations are baseless and their impact is devastating.
This Dengvaxia controversy has really made a tremendous impact and destroyed public confidence on vaccine.
The Philippines has been at the forefront of vaccination efforts since the early 1990s. Back then, there was almost 100% vaccine coverage for measles. Now, the public's confidence in vaccines is at 32%. We are in a health center in Baseco, one of the most impoverished communities in Manila. Vaccines have always been made available here for free. But despite that, health officials say vaccination rates here have dropped significantly. In another hospital, 3-year-old Johan is in the isolation room. Doctors here tell us they were worried because Johan almost lost his sight because of a measles infection.
I was scared because of the stories of Dengvaxia. That's why I didn't go to the center.
As early as last year, health officials say they had been warning that the Dengvaxia scandal could discourage parents from vaccinating their children. But they felt their voices were drowned out by the political noise. Jamela, Alindogan, Jazeera, Manila.